Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded. I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope you're having a great weekend. Thanksgiving is coming up. There's going to be a couple snowstorms that are going to be coming through, and this is just going to be briefly what's going on tonight into tomorrow. This part of it, and then I'm going to do a Thanksgiving part. I don't know how much, because it's still a little uncertain. It's on Thursday, so it's still a little uncertain on where the snow is going to be. But I can show you kind of where it's going to be part of Nebraska, Colorado, and Northern California. There's going to be several spots that are going to have some significant snowfall. So for tonight, from 6 p.m. until Tuesday at 6 p.m., heavy snow possible for parts of Central Rockies, Central Plains, and the snow for the Cascades. An unusual deep storm has impacted the Northwest and California with high winds, snow, and rain by Tuesday. Storm over the Northeast, wind down. There's an elevated risk of fire weather over parts of northern Central California. A storm just off the New England coast will move northeastward into eastern Canada by Monday. The system will produce higher elevation snow and rain over parts of the northeast. It will slowly taper off by Monday afternoon. Additional northwesterly winds, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Low humidity levels will fuel, still remaining dry across parts of northern and central California. An area of elevated risk of fire weather is forecast over the area for the remainder of the Sunday into Monday. So as you can see that getting snow in northern North Dakota, mostly in northern Minnesota, and then you see on the far east, northeast, you see that there's some snow, freezing rain, that mixed precipitation. And then you see the snow in Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, northern Utah, northern Nevada, and parts of northern Colorado. So, we are going to look today at Thanksgiving forecast. Make sure you put in the comments what's your favorite food for Thanksgiving. So this is the main storm for the Thanksgiving. Storm is gonna drop anywhere in Nevada, anywhere from, sorry, I was looking ahead. Anywhere from northeast Nevada, 7 inches, all the way down to Colorado, 10 inches. So in this local area, we could see between 3 to 5 inches in most areas, and then some areas could reach up to 10 inches. I don't see too many areas reaching more than 10 inches, but as of now, I see the main region, most of Nebraska is going to be getting 3 to 5 inches. A good chunk of Nebraska will get 3 to 5 inches. Southern South Dakota is probably going to get that 1 to 3 inch. Maybe into the Sioux Falls area, may get up to 6 inches, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. You get into the Wyoming area, you're on that southern southeastern part of Wyoming that's right around that 10 inches range. So I would say still 3 to 5 inches in that area. Into central Wyoming, still I would say 3 to 5 inches, maybe somewhere locally, maybe 7. And then you get farther down into the Colorado area. It's showing on this model 27 inches. I'm not going to say that because you're up in the mountains and it's kind of hard to tell. They could get that much snow. So let's go over to let's see. So you got, oops, sorry, southern Minnesota, parts of like that corner of Iowa, southern Minnesota, and Wisconsin. You got, like I said, 3 to 5 inches, maybe locally a little bit higher. No more than 10 inches, but it's still a little ways out, so it can shift south or it can shift north, or it could weaken in general. But I would put that this whole range of, I can go into, I'll use the continental United States. This whole range is, I would say, anywhere between 3 to 5 inches. Some areas 7 to 10. I don't think there's going to be much more than 10 inches. And then you got this area up in Canada. Seeing quite a bit of snow over the Thanksgiving period. Okay. Now you've been hearing that there's another storm next weekend. It's a little far out, so I'm going to show you briefly, but we're not going to focus on that because, like I said, a little far out. We're not even, it may not happen. So next weekend, the storm is going to mostly stay in the Dakota areas, Minnesota, and then move over the Great Lakes. But like I said, that's way out of the picture. Not even focused on that. I'm focusing on this storm, getting to Thanksgiving, enjoying Thanksgiving. I want all my viewers to enjoy Thanksgiving. We're going to go over to one more spot. This is kind of just showing a little bit the same thing. But as you can see, this is more a broadened area of Nebraska. Is in that 5 to 7 range. I would still say most areas are going to get 3 to 5 inches. Like I said earlier, there could be a few areas that get more than 5 inches, could get up to 7 inches. And then there's a few areas that could get up to 10 inches. Stay close to your local, either National Weather Service or your news source. And I hope you all have a good Thanksgiving. I'm going to try getting a forecast for the next snowstorm when we get closer. And I'm working on all of the locations you guys put in the comments to get it all together and get your forecast, 3 to 5 day forecast. Like I said earlier, have a good Thanksgiving, and make sure you leave a like and comment, subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful Sunday evening. This is James, the Weatherman, signing out.